Finding a clean way to haul long lengths of PVC, copper, or conduit on a work rig has always been a bit of a headache. Most DIY setups look sloppy, rattle down the highway, or require drilling holes right through expensive roof racks. That is basically where this universal conduit kit steps in to change the game. It is designed around a standard 6-inch PVC pipe, meaning the kit itself provides the heavy-duty hardware ends, while the user supplies the actual tube. Pulling the cast aluminum door and end caps out of the box, you immediately notice how solid they feel. They carry a reassuring weight without feeling overly cumbersome, and that silver finish has a clean industrial look that matches most factory truck and van setups. The saddle brackets and U-bolts are all stainless steel, so rust isn't going to be an issue after the first rainy season. Setting the whole thing up requires no drilling into the crossbars, which is a massive win for anyone trying to preserve their vehicle's roof structure. The saddle mount system grips securely onto pretty much any standard SUV, truck, or van rack out there. Now, one thing to keep in mind during assembly is that the actual outer diameter of a standard 6-inch PVC pipe is slightly larger at about 6.6 inches, so making sure you grab the right pipe from the hardware store is key. The kit also calls for some silicone or butyl sealant to keep moisture out, which is standard practice. Once bolted down, operating the door is surprisingly satisfying. It features a spring-loaded latch paired with a thick urethane gasket that creates a tight, weatherproof seal against road spray and dust. There is also a rotary tongue lock built right into the end cap to keep expensive materials secure while parked at a job site. The whole assembly tips the scales at just over 6 pounds empty, keeping the dead weight on the roof to a minimum. If there is any minor downside, it is that cutting and prepping the PVC pipe requires a bit of measuring and patience on the user end, since the pipe itself isn't in the box. But honestly, once it is mounted up, it looks sleek, stays completely quiet at highway speeds, and keeps long cargo entirely out of the cab. For contractors, electricians, or plumbers looking to organize their roof space properly, this setup is definitely worth a hard look.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.